Good morning, pretty girl. Hi. Oh my god, I am such a mess right now, you guys. I have stuff tanner on that I need to wash off. My hair is like crazy. Good girl. You know you just want to play. The tail up. Good morning, you guys. I'm just about to make my morning coffee. It's 9:30. I got out of bed late today. It's just one of those days. But I don't have too crazy of a day, so I feel okay about it. This is Molly Cat's new favorite toy. She is obsessed with it. Okay, let's go make our chai. Oh, yeah. Taken to just keeping a blanket in my office. That way I can stay warm while I work. So it's Wednesday. We've had a very productive start to the week. I have literally felt like I couldn't move for the past 2 days because my legs were so sore from that HIIT workout that I did on Sunday. I actually think that's in a vlog that may not be up for you guys yet, so hold tight. But anyway, I seriously have not been able to move properly for 2 days. I mean, every time I had to sit down on like the toilet on this chair, get back up again, pain, nothing but pain. But I'm feeling a lot better today. I actually worked out yesterday. I skipped legs, but I did glutes because my glutes were not feeling as bad as my legs, and it actually really helped to like work through a lot of the pain. So I think today we'll be able to tackle a proper workout. But here's the plan, is that I feel like I don't want to work out with my self tanner on because I feel like I'll sweat and it'll make it weird. So I'm going to go through my emails and stuff, have my chai, and then I think hop in the shower and then work out. And then I'm thinking about, I want to see what my color looks like, but I'm thinking about doing a second coat of the tanner. And that's sort of the tentative plan for this morning. Guys, I legitimately haven't been working because look at this cat. Okay, with the sassy tail, you relax with that tail. And I can't scoot closer because you're very cute, but I need to work. It's a work day. So slight change in plans. Oh, there goes the kitty cat. So it's 11 o'clock now. And so, and I have done basically nothing at all. So what I'm gonna do is get a rough edit of the vlog in, have some lunch, and then we're gonna shower and work out and do all of that stuff. I think that that will be a good plan. Lunchtime. Lunchtime. So making a sandwich for lunch today.
Sorry.
Also gonna heat up some of this soup, although it's not really soup anymore because the noodles that we put in here, why can't I remember what those are called or think of what they're called. Anyway,
Orzo?
Orzo, thank you. They absorb a lot of the broth. They said that you can add more like broth or water in to make it soupy again, but I don't have any broth and I don't think water would be as good. So we're just gonna go with a little, it's just gonna be more like a pasta.
Man, this soup was so good though.
Oh my god, I know, I'm so excited for some more of it. Mmm, look at that. Looks so yummy. I'm very excited. Lunch, I'm hungry. Get some fuel in my belly. Alrighty, Connor and I are out on a little midday walk. One, just because we wanted to get outside. It's a nice day, a little chilly, a little brisk, but overall, beautiful day. We are actually walking over to the library because I need a library card so I can get books for free on my Kindle, and Connor needs one so that he can just get books out of the library. Yeah. He wants to start reading the Witcher books because he's very into that TV show and video game and stuff, so.
Nerdy stuff.
Yes, exactly. By the way, guys, I know I said that I was going to work out after lunch, but I totally forgot that I have a live workout today at 5. So, boom. There you go. Ocean Park Library. Let's go. Oh, automatic door? Okay, just kidding. The library won't let us in, and we have to go much further away to get a library card.
Okay,
so
another library to get a card.
And then we have to get approved to be allowed to use this library, because that makes sense, right? Public library.
Santa
yes.
Monica, very exclusive.
Yep, apparently. 1 minute until 5, and we need to get into our workout class. Running a little late. Ooh, I'm still a little sore, so this should be interesting.
Oh.
Hello.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Pull away, stretch. Good hamstring stretch here. Exhale, roll all the way back up to all fours. Pedal out your feet. Knee in towards your nose. Place your right foot in between your hands. Reach your arm and stack it over your right shoulder, and then stack your shoulders on top of each other. And we do this kind of breath.
Alrighty, all done with my workout. It was a really good one, actually. Felt really good. And now I'm going to hop in the shower, just rinse off quickly, and then I'm going to apply a second layer of my self tanner. But I want to show you guys, because I used this tanning mitt last night to tan with that I bought on Amazon. I will link it down below. And I am such a fan of this. First of all, it is so soft, you guys. So soft. It felt so good, like rubbing it on my skin. It gave me such even coverage. I really loved it, and nothing bled through here. Like, I feel like all of the tanning mitts that I use, I'm curious, like, I want to like look inside to see if I can see any like brown marks. No, it looks pretty good. Like, you can see a tiny, tiny bit. But all in all, big fan of this. Big, big fan. While we're here, some tips for tanning. Make sure that you moisturize beforehand, especially like knees, elbows, wrists, like areas that sort of bend a lot. Moisturize them. I like to moisturize all those areas, and then my legs for sure too. And then if I'm not feeling lazy, I'll do my whole body, but I'm usually feeling lazy, so. Oh, and definitely make sure that I put a moisturizer on my face beforehand, just to make sure that I get nothing weird or streaky here. I've never done a second coat of my tanner before, so we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm honestly a little apprehensive about it. I've been going back and forth about whether I was gonna do it, but I think I am. Especially on my legs. But I feel like if I do my legs, I just have to do my whole body. Yeah, but let's go for it. If it's terrible, that's what exfoliant is for. You just exfoliate that off. Tanning was yet again a success. We'll see how this looks tomorrow. Hopefully not crazy. Before dinner, I want to start my new book, and I'm going to start the Handmaid's Tale series. Very excited about this. Also very intrigued because I have heard from people that this first book covers like half of the first episode of season 1 of the series, and I am obsessed with the TV show, so yeah, I'm ready to dive into a lot more detail. So this is gonna be my first Margaret Atwood book as well. Very excited. Definitely was planning on actually just renting my next book from the LA library, because I do own a lot of solid copies of books that I haven't read yet, but I really have been loving reading on my Kindle. It just feels really good, but obviously couldn't get a library card today, so we're gonna have to figure that out, and then I can get one and start renting books on my Kindle, which will be very nice. And once I have that all figured out and set up, I'll show you guys how I do all of that, but I'm sure you can just Google it. If you didn't know, Google it. We're making sushi tonight, of course.
Classic.
Yep, gotta have it once a week. We just love it so much. It's so good. Babe, can you believe that we've already lived together for a whole year?
I know.
It's crazy, right?
Great success.
Great success.
Made that a little Scottish.
Yeah, I like it. No regrets?
No, I wouldn't say. It was a lot easier and a lot more, even more fun than I expected.
I agree, yeah, it was more fun than I expected. Less challenging.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the year went really fast though.
Yeah.
Right?
I totally agree.
Yeah, like when Connor and I were writing our letters to each other, we did so much last year that I totally forgot about.
Right?
Connor put stuff in his letter to me that I was like, oh my god, I totally forgot that that even happened this year. Whoa. Yeah, I literally missed our entire Mexico trip together in my letter. Like, I totally forgot that we even did that, and that was amazing. We had the most amazing food there. Connor, please.
Yeah.
Connor, why are you doing that?
I didn't know there was a noise rule.
Yes, you did.
There always is one.
There's always been a noise rule. Whew, I really am tired.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I was in there, I felt myself really dying.
How was start of the bus? Liking it?
Yeah, it was good. And voila, all of our hard work pays off. By hard work, I mean that it took us 20 minutes to do this.
Yeah, we timed it.
Right? Very good. We're getting speedy. And I'm so excited because I'm very hungry. morning, friends. It's the next day and we have some boxes to open. So let's get to it, shall we? I actually think we may not open this big one in this video. It's for another one, but. So this is a package from Dr. Dennis Gross, one of my absolute favorite skincare brands. Ooh, my favorite product that I have been out of for a while, so I'm so excited to have it again. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Moisture Cushion. Sorry, it's really sunny, so it's like very reflective here right now. This is the best moisturizer ever, you guys. It feels so good on the skin. It is very comparable to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. Feels sort of similar on the skin, actually looks the same, like same consistency. It's very, very similar, but this is just absolutely everything to me. So big thank you to DDG for hooking me up with that again. I think this is probably my Bondi Boost. Yes, it is. And here we are. It's the HG shampoo and conditioner, and I went for the big size this time because I liked it and my card ran out of space. But we are back, and anyway, got the large size. Hi. Got the larger size of these because I liked it, and the small ones lasted me a pretty long time. 3 months maybe, so the large ones hopefully 4 or 5. Okay, lots of hair stuff today. So first up, had to get a new heat protectant, so got the Chi Iron Guard. Been using this like my whole life, so love that. Also got a teasing brush because I wanted something that I could use when I want to do like sleeker looks and like pull the gel through my hair. So apparently a teasing brush is the way to go for that. And then the last thing are these big claw clips. I bought claw clips a couple months ago, but I bought them small. I don't know why I did that, what I was thinking, because I have so much hair. I don't know why I thought small claw clips would be a good idea, but obviously they didn't work for like holding all my hair up. I could only use them in half up, half down, so wanted to get some bigger ones. These are really cute. Got a few cute little designs on them, so there you have it. I am going to go hop into some work now, and I'm filming a different video today aside from this vlog, so I probably will check in with you guys like at dinner time. Hi friends, it's been quite a few hours, just like I said, and a very nice and productive day, so feeling very good about that, especially because I'm taking tomorrow off because a very special guest is arriving in LA tonight. Tara's gonna be here. Guys, I cannot even tell you how excited I am that Tara is getting into LA. We'll of course be vlogging our reunion tomorrow. But yeah, good day, and this cat is just desperate for attention right now. Obviously already did my makeup. I'm just keeping my hair sort of slicked back like this little hairstyle moment because I filmed a video today. So that was successful, got a workout in, 3rd workout of the week, so that's great. Gonna get one more in on Saturday. That way we can complete the week with 4 workouts. I feel really solid about that. And yeah, it's almost the weekend. So if you guys don't know, I don't remember when I mentioned this. I think I said it in one video, but sort of in passing. Connor and I have been doing our own fake version of dry January. Not fully dry because 1, I don't want to. I want to be able to like go out on the weekends, have a drink at dinner, like whatever. And 2, I'd rather come up with a schedule that I can actually keep up potentially throughout a lot of the year versus like going totally dry in January and then like popping off in February. So what we've been doing this month, and what I think we hope to continue doing a bit more of throughout the year, is not drinking Sunday through Wednesday, and then Thursdays if we need to, want to, if we feel like, oh, I really need a drink today, Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday, do whatever. So today is Thursday, but we are going out on date night. We both have like sort of different plans throughout the whole weekend. We won't be spending a ton of time together. So we thought that it would be sort of fun to go out tonight, have a yummy dinner, and have some drinks. So anyway, the drinks will be going down tonight. I'm actually very excited. Wine sounds amazing for tonight. Anyway, we want to head out in about 20-ish minutes. Obviously, makeup is already done, hair is done, so I just really need to get dressed. My makeup turned out really pretty today, I think. I dig this look, the slicked back hair. Looks really cool. I'm into it. So I'm gonna go get dressed now, and I'll show you my little date night fit. We're sitting outdoors, so it's probably gonna have to be a little bundled up and warmer. Okay, here is the fit that we went with tonight. I have on this cute little Free People pants, little strapless top from Revolve, and some booties.
Looking cute, baby.
And of course gonna throw on a jacket since we're gonna be sitting outside. You look great too, babe. Not so bad, eh?
Not
Where's your
so
outfit
bad.
from? Give us an outfit of the day.
Ooh, don't know, but cashmere, Kid and Ace, funky socks. That's a breakdown.
That's great, babe. Before we go out, we decided that we are going to have a little bit of tequila, and not just any tequila. We are going to be having some of our Don Julio 1942. I won this by winning the murder mystery party on New Year's. I guessed who the person was and what their motive was, so thank you. It's just like the most beautiful box too.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so dead.
To you, my darling.
To you, babe.
Happy date night.
Happy date night. It's good.
Just good,
It's
smooth.
so good. Reserved just for us.
Yeah.
Thanks. Got a glass of red wine to start off the night, or I guess we already started off the night technically, but
A little tequila.
that's right.
A cleansing tequila.
A cleansing tequila, exactly. Cheers, babe.
Cheers, baby. Love you.
Love you. Okay, first course. We're at dinner now. I didn't even say that yet. We're at dinner. We got the tasting menu. So this first thing is an uni taco.
For stretchy
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, we have halibut sashimi here, and apparently this liquid here is olive oil and some sort of liquid from the bones of the halibut?
Yeah.
I don't even know, but looks amazing. Very excited. Mmm.
So light and nice.
Canberra did not eat first. We ate first.
My man.
But this is our next course. Again, we got this last time, and again, I can't tell you exactly what this is. Yeah, still not our favorite.
It's very proteiny. It
But the
almost
more
tastes
I
like a
eat it, the
mussel.
more I like it every time, so I think it'll be good. Okay, we asked. Apparently this dish is an abalone, and she said that it's in like the
Sea snail.
sea snail, not sneak
Sea
snail.
snail, sea snail.
Yeah,
Found
exactly.
by the seashore.
Sea snail family, which definitely makes sense. Next up, we have the Caesar Goes Vegan.
Yeah.
So it apparently tastes just like a Caesar, but it's vegan. So let's dive in.
It looks like a lot of avocado.
Yeah, very excited. Look at how amazing this looks, you guys.
I'm very excited.
I'm getting the tight close-up, and it's looking good.
On it.
Oh, it's not my most graceful bite. Or that you had to see it, but wow.
It tastes really good though.
Okay, next up, caviar nachos. We've had these before, and they're everything. We have these prawns,
The little Diablo sauce.
and yeah, this is a house-made Diablo sauce, which I'm very excited about because I love me spicy sauces. Last dish of the night, we have a tuna bread. I don't know. Tostada, yeah. A lot of tuna. I cannot tell you, this thing is like legit heavy.
There's some weight to it. Oh, I
Yeah,
love
there's
that.
some weight to it. There's a lot of tuna on there, and I'm very excited about it. We have a little dessert. So this is like an almond peanut butter cup, basically. And this is a sea salt chocolate bite. So excited.